All right, good day, everyone. Good morning once again. This is Fish College, and today's date is December 18th, 2023. Just a week to Christmas, and I'm wishing you Merry Christmas in advance. So, um, I'm still going to be showing us some testimonies of part of what we did during our orientation camp. We'll be hearing testimony from our students, and I want to appreciate God so far this year. A lot of our clients, not just in Nigeria, students that we have in other West African countries have been sending videos of products that they were able to get. When I'm talking about products, I mean fingerlings they were able to produce, not just fry, because when you're talking about catfish hatching, catfish breeding, it is not all about the hatching process, but it's the end term result that matters. So a lot of them were able to have good success, and we are grateful to God. And I want to use this opportunity to also inspire my students, especially the core members. I just finished training on camp. As many of you that are watching this video, I keep saying it that the best way to start is to start with the available resources within you. The truth of the matter is that it's not that there is no job, but the job that is available for us after graduation is small, is minimal. So we need people that will create job opportunities. And I'm also encouraging investors to come into this business. Let us create room for our youth to work. You can work in collaboration with Fish College, and we assure you that we're going to do good justice to have a good system that will be profitable and sustainable, that will also help our youth to have a place to feed their head once they are done with their school. So we don't need to wait for the government. And to everyone that have been following us, some people have been calling me asking, should we hatch during summertime season? Should we not hatch, or what do we do? Let me tell you the truth. As a good breeder, you should be able to control our system, whether it's summertime or whether it's rainy. No matter the system, no matter the weather condition, you should be able to see to what to do, because I keep telling people that every weather condition have its own package, have its own solution, have its own condition. So you don't need to be thinking that should I wait? Well, if you're waiting, what about when the rainy season comes, when pH is a challenge, temperature is a challenge? So I keep encouraging you to try your best. Now, for those of you who are here to get your materials, you can see we still have copies. So try your best. For those of you who are far away from us, you can get the e-copies. You can get the e-copies, and it's just matter of once you make your payment, we'll send it to you via WhatsApp, or you can buy via seller and you download it. Okay. And our mentorship program is still on for as many that have interest in it. For those who want to start a business, and for those who are in a business who are not making good profits, our mentorship training is still available. So subsequently, we'll be giving you a new service, and we'll have a lot of package that we have actually prepared for you to help you become successful in this business. So thank you once again. I wish you happy Christmas in advance. Thank you. My good luck continue to bless and keep us till 2024. Thank you. I want to appreciate every one of you that have been following us in this channel. So for some time we have been on camp, we have been training core members. I think the last video we posted was for the beginning of the training, and as you can see, this is part of our finished products. And you can see the gentlemen here, they have been empowered and equipped with a lot of skills that will prepare them for the future. So part of what we train them, we tell them how you can treat your water, how you can test and manage your water. We tell them feed formulation. You can see these some of the items that we normally use in making feed. So I'll be giving them chance to express themselves, to share little testimonies on what they have learned. And I would like you to say kudos to them, even though you can just see them just go like this after watching them. So thank you.
My name is Simon David, a core member serving in Ondo State with core number 2159. I want to appreciate the management of NYC for providing us with this opportunity to learn and improve our skills. Now, over the course of this orientation program, I've learned a lot about fish farming and fish production, and I'm looking forward to putting what I've learned in use. Finally, I want to appreciate our facilitator, our tutor, Mr. Gill, for putting in extra efforts in order to make us perfect and impart knowledge into us. My sincere appreciation goes to him. Thank you very much, sir.
My name is Okayatowa Evelyn. I'm a COP member in serving at Ondo State. My appreciation goes to the management of NYSC as well as our tutor, Mr. Joel, aka Fish College. This scheme has given us the opportunity to learn a lot of things, ranging from fish meal, making, production, and livestock production, that is poultry. Been able to learn water management qualities and parameters, and a lot more information which are not available for us on a normal day. So I really hope with the knowledge gathered here, I'll be able to achieve greater things in the field of agro-allied. Thank you very much. Okay. Hello. Good morning, everybody. My name is Ayawo Fevo. Code number 2680. I'm a corporate serving in Ondo State, and I was able to be part of this side course, agro allied. So with this, since my joining this class, I'm able to learn how to dry fish, how to make fish pepper soup, how to make barbecue, and also how to prepare feed for chicken and also for fish. So at least I'm able to differentiate between fishes. If I make fish, if I see fish now, I can be able to differentiate between them. So I'm grateful for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, followers. Good morning, everyone. My name is Okonkwo Chizuba Cynthia with the code number 1744. I'm a serving corper in Ondo State. I really want to appreciate NYSC, the Said officials, and also Mr. Joel, aka Eat and Smile, and also Fish College. I want to appreciate him for his work and also his mentorship, for making us to be a participant in this side class. As a side member, I was able to learn everything about breading of fish, hashing of fish, smoking of fish, and also how to rear fish from the fingerless to the mature. Then I can really appreciate NYC for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Ezra Chimnecheren Princess with the state code 2678, serving in Ondo State. Honestly, I'm very, very grateful to the NYSC officials and definitely to Said management for making this opportunity available for some persons like me. Believe me, joining the Agro Airline has made it possible that I can actually rear fishes, actually make feed formations, yes, and I can confidently make barbecue and host of other things that is involved in agro life. So I'm grateful to Mr. Joel, aka the Peter Smile, and believe me, he is perfect in whatever he's doing. So I'm grateful for that, and thank you very much. Get empowered.
So as you can see, this is a live documented testimony that was recorded during our class, and we have more than this, but we are able to pick this few, and we encourage our students, like as I said, be bold enough to grow with what you have. You don't need to depend on the government, you don't need to depend on people to help you stand. Be bold enough to stand off your feet. Start with what you have, and that good Lord will bless you. And I'm also appealing to our government and NGOs to also try all you can to, create financial opportunities that can help our youth. When I mean our youth, I'm not talking of Nigeria youth alone. I mean African youth to grow. Let us create room that will make this world enjoyable for everyone. Because as we do so, we are really affecting life. We are really affecting life, and God Almighty will be blessing us. So I think this is an interesting video, you can actually see the Fish College is
How
really
many seven I
trying.
bring for you?
So far, we have been getting testimonies. When I mean testimonies, breakthrough testimonies,
I'll be whether
people
I'll
who
be whether I want
have
to do
been
the big one
suffering
for
for
you.
years, but after following our videos, after reading our material, after
One big one.
registering for our mentorship training, through the help of God, we were doing absolutely well. So we are trusting God that we are still going to do more. We are still going to empower more.
Put
And
your hand
I'm
inside
using this
now.
opportunity to say a very big thanks to NYC
Easy.
for always giving us this platform to train their youth on agricultural skill. And we promise you that we'll continue to give out our best.
3,
Though
5,
I'm also
6, 7, 8,
I
9,
once
10.
served some years ago, and I'm also
It's
an
10 here.
award winner via my personal CDS work
It's
which
10
I
already.
did during my service year. So
It's 10
that
no.
helped me
Wait,
to
wait.
understand what it means to affect life. So more of what we are doing is not just for financial benefit, but we are doing it because we know that we are adding value to our society. We know that we are helping our world. We know that we are helping a lot of people to learn
Hey.
how to put food on their table. And I want to thank God that God have not been failing us. God have been helping us. And to as many that have been supporting us, that have been encouraging us, that have been standing with us in this work, God Almighty is going to bless you. He's going to empower you. But one thing I love telling people is that you don't need to wait for blessing to rain from heaven. You need to be diligent and well committed in what you are doing. Okay, so whenever
Unless you think I don't
I
catch that
am
one for me.
wishing people well, I do encourage them to be diligent, because it is only when you are very, very diligent and committed
It's
that
10
is
ba.
when you will have access
But I
to
don't collect
divine
basket.
blessings that God has prepared for you. So remain safe as we enjoy this Christmas that is very, very close to us. Now, this is your friend Nwachukwu Chigozie, the pioneer of Fish College, imparting life. So may the Lord continue to bless each one of us. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
That we use to lock the inside, but the pipe have perforated holes, so water can pass through it and back for others to come. Okay, because we don't have time. This is how we operate, as I'm telling you. If you want to enjoy it very, very well. One, we have limited time on class on this camp. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So if you want, you have to see if I'm counting my wealth, because I want to see how I can teach you the basic things. If I say let me handle one topic like this, handle only one chapter. We are going to do more practical, and we are going to start fish processing practicals too.